At nearly 4,500 square feet, this 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath Bellacrest floor plan by First Texas Homes sits atop a generous 1-acre lot. Upon entering this 2-story home, the hand-scraped hardwoods will guide you towards a spacious family room with breakfast nook, adjacent to an attractive modern kitchen area. You'll love the luxurious master bedroom, plush master bath, and ample closet space. This home is the perfect destination for entertaining with wide-open floor plan, a versatile second-floor game room, and optional media room. First Texas Homes offers a variety of different floor plans. We can build you this floor plan or any of our others in almost every First Texas community. You'll want to act now as we have a limited supply of available lots and move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.